All right, Rob Frazier here. This video, I want to talk about Infinity Traffic Boost. And if you are online and promoting a Bitcoin cryptocurrency type deal, then you want to plug into this traffic source. If you want to learn about crypto, Bitcoin, trading, anything along that nature, you also want to add this to your education. So first off, Infinity Traffic Boost, you can join free today, right now. And when you join, understand that it's a traffic exchange. And so if you come in your back office and you click on Surf Pages and you surf 10 websites, you will earn a share. A share fluctuates. Right now it's hovering around 5 Satoshi per share. Satoshi is just a little bit of Bitcoin. But you join free today, you surf 10 ads, you'll get 1 share. You surf 20 ads, you get 2 shares. You surf 30 ads, you get 3 shares. And yes, you can earn real Bitcoin, Satoshi, just by joining free and surfing on a daily basis. So I've come across this program maybe about 2 years ago. I didn't really understand it at first, and it took me a while because all of the information in the back office is good, but I'm just lazy sometimes and I just didn't go through it. But I have another video where I talk about, and this video I'm going to put a card above, and at the end of this video I'll link to it, and I'll also put a link in the description of this video where I go into my Bitcoin plan. So my Bitcoin plan, leading off with Infinity Traffic Boost, because that's a place you can learn how to just surf the exchange and get shares of Bitcoin on a daily basis. You can also watch this video. You will learn how to trade Bitcoin through ICoin Pro. You can also get involved with our other opportunities, Mega Marketing Pro, a system designed by Edward Keat to learn how to leverage the Bitcoin you may have already. And then my last piece, so it's basically just 4 pieces. You got Infinity Traffic Boost, ICoin Pro, Mega Marketing Pro, which is 2 programs once you get on the inside of it. And then on the back end, I promote a high ticket program, and on the back end, and this is basically, it's TASV7. I'm not going to get into too much about it, but the whole plan is this. If you have no money, you can join here for free. If you want to learn how to trade, you can learn for free. If you don't have time to sit here and look at a computer and trade all day, we got Mega Marketing Pro, which is the passive side. Also, to make significant money trading Bitcoin, you have to have some money. You have to have some Bitcoin. A nice chunk. If you don't have a nice chunk, that's where our high-end back end comes into play. And if you're a guy, you know you gotta love those high-end back ends. Anyways, dumb joke aside, this program is what we are putting on the back end to earn bigger commissions, anywhere from $180 all the way on up. I think the highest is a $15,000 level. I am not at that level yet, but that's the plan. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to step myself up through my own plan I'm laying out here. I'm a member of everything here. I'm earning a certain amount a week. But what I'm going to start doing is, as I upgrade in this back-end program here, the highest product is $100,000 paid instantly. So looking at this from a bird's eye view, we have a feeder program. People can sign up for free. People can surf for free. They can earn Bitcoin, earn shares of Bitcoin. they're not earning it for free. You earn the Bitcoin through surfing and referring people to the site. We got a place to where you can, as you start to bring in Bitcoin, you can take a little bit and put it into your personal trading account and learn how to trade through ICoin Pro. You take another percentage and you put it into the passive side, Mega Marketing Pro. And then as you just keep going, as you just keep funneling people in, as you start earning more Bitcoin on a daily basis, you start to set aside a chunk in your trading accounts to eventually go all in on the back end program, positioning yourself to earn bigger commissions. And once you get these 4 pieces firing, it's just a matter of sticking to the plan. And come disclaimer, this is a plan I put together. I've been hammered with crypto opportunities, and it's taken me, it set me behind a little bit, but plans exactly like what I'm showing you here is how I was able to get back on my own 2 feet, how I was able to pay off a 6-figure debt within 9 months. It's not the money that you make, it's what you do with it. If you just take the money that you make and spend it, you're just living paycheck to paycheck, or you're living broke at a high level is what I heard other people say. But if you're smart, so the idea is to have a free program that anyone can join, even if you don't know anything about Bitcoin. You just join and surf 10 ads a day, you're going to start getting paid. Once you start getting paid more and more Bitcoin, then we could take that and start dividing it up. We'll take half, we'll put it in our personal trading accounts. That's for us. And then we'll take half and we'll put it into some passive opportunities. And so we don't have to be glued to the computer every day looking for trades, because if you got kids, if you got a life, things happen, right? And then lastly, we have the high-end program on the back end to earn bigger commissions, because that's the fastest way to get to full-time income doing anything. You have to have something chunky to sell that pays out a significant amount, so you can put that more into your trading account, put that into traffic, put it in your pockets, and just start chopping up the Bitcoin. Maybe I'll call this plan chopping up Bitcoin, chopping up coin. I don't know, the chopping coins. I'll come up with something. But that's my plan. That's my chopping coins plan. So that being said, name's Rob Frazier. I'm also going to put this video on my training page. So if you're on my Bitcoin training page, make sure you scroll down, because this video will also be just right underneath. So instead of going back to YouTube, all you got to do is scroll down. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click the card, click the next, click subscribe to my channel, reach out to me. Name's Rob Frazier. This is the plan. Let's chop up some coins. We'll see you in the next video.